Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Atomic Wallet application on your Android. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Atomic Wallet application on your Android, tab open your Play Store first. Go to the search box at the top and type in Atomic Wallet and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search results. Tap the install button in green in order to download the application on your Android device. Atomic Wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet that supports over 500 crypto assets. Once the application has been installed on your Android device, you'll be able to see an open button popping up in green. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Atomic Wallet application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.